Hi guys, today we're going to do our compare and contrast lesson. Today we're comparing the two texts I hear with my ears from last week and the light around us from this week. And then we are going to be doing our double bubble map, which we have done before. So make sure you have that ready. It looks like this. I hear with my ears and the light around us. So we have been reading the light around us all week, so I'm not going to reread that text. If you need to reread it yourself, you can go to Benchmark and reread the text. We are going to read I Hear with My Ears one more time since it's been a while since we've read that. Okay, I hear with my ears. I have two ears, they're quite a sight, on the left and on the right. They fit my head so nice and tight. For me, they are the perfect height. What is the purpose of my ears? They're handier than they appear. The job they do is very clear. My ears are there to help me hear. Some sounds are very, very loud. People shouting in a crowd. Thunder crashing in a cloud. Or singing when it's not allowed. Other sounds are soft and sweet. Slippers swishing on my feet. Raindrops tapping on the street. And birdies singing, tweet, tweet, tweet. The sounds that cheer me when I'm blue. Babies babble, giggle, coo. Playful kittens purr and mew. Mommies whisper, I love you. I'm glad my ears take up a space on either side along my face. They help my glasses stay in place. My nose assists them, just in case. Okay, now you guys, we're going to compare and contrast those two texts. So first, I'd like you to think about what genre were these two texts. Are they the same or different? Think about that. Where are you going to put it on your double bubble map? Okay, the genres of these two texts were very different. I Hear with My Ears is a rhyming story, and The Light Around Us is an informational text. So let's add that to our double bubble map. Okay, this is a rhyming story. This is an information text. Now let's think about what were the texts about. Our unit was about sound and light, right? Those are both senses, so we can put that in the middle. Both texts were about our senses, but what sense was I Hear with My Ears about? It was about hearing. The Light Around Us was about seeing. Okay, so this was about sound, and this was about light. Okay, think about how else were these stories similar or different. Think about the graphic features of the text. I Hear with My Ears had illustrations that were drawn or painted. The Light Around Us had photographs. Let's add that. Illustrations, photos. Okay. Now we need to think of two more ways that these texts were the same. They both taught us something. They both taught information. Even though I Hear with My Ears was a story, it taught us about different sounds. And The Light Around Us taught us information. Okay, And then I'd like you to go ahead and think of one more way that these texts were the same and add that on your own to the double bubble chart. Okay, good job, you guys, comparing and contrasting. I'll see you next time.